healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. That I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner, and the moods and just that I hate, I tend the right person that actually matters. I'm so opposite every day. Backwards, drive my car down to my little job, but I've got no frown on my find some peace in the stations. So freaking cute sometimes, yeah. But I wish there was a song, such drama with your name, such drama as the title. And I wish there was a song, there was a song as the title that I could make. To